COVID-19 hit us hard this 2020, and during this time, the bayanihan spirit of the Filipino to help those in need, leading the charge to the nation's recovery. Hello, I am Dennis, a researcher from the Advanced Manufacturing Center, or AMCen, and I will show you how we make face shields. To begin with, the initiative was started by the 3D Printing for a Cost PH, an online movement of local 3D printing enthusiasts. They have designed a face shield that can be easily made while being effective enough to protect us from possible transmission. Heeding the call of the community, we use our fused deposition modeling printers, or FDM, to produce face shield frames. At first, the output was low because one printer takes 1 hour and a half to print 2 face shield frames. The reason is that 3D printing technology is primarily used to speed up the product development stage or prototyping. Well, recognizing that limitation, MIRDC accelerated the whole process by producing a plastic injection mold of the frames through the work of the prototyping division. Before the mass production, AMCen was able to produce and deliver 490 pieces of face shields to our frontliners. Are you curious about what is fused deposition modeling, or FDM? Well, FDM 3D printing is a method of additive manufacturing where layers of materials are fused together in a pattern to form an object. Well, in layman's terms, take a plastic filament and squeeze it through a hot nozzle, melting it in layers, and these layers are fused together, building up to form an object. Currently, FDM 3D printers dominate the 3D printing market because it's fairly inexpensive while being efficient. In the 3D printing of face shield frames, we tweak and optimize several printing parameters such as line width, layer height, infill density, speed to maximize the production of the frames. Come here as we show you the 6 steps in the production of the face shields. First, slicing and parameter configuration through the use of Cura. Next, material loading. For this instance, we'll be using PLA or ABS since this material can easily be printed and the most commonly used filament in the market. Upload the codes to the 3D printer. Build plate preparation by cleaning and applying glue to the area of print. And start the printing process. And a few moments later, this is the finished face shield frames. For its assembly, grab your acetate and fit it in the frame. That's it, easy and convenient. By the way, aside from the face shields, we go beyond PPE in the fight against the pandemic. We are also involved in the manufacturing of parts for the Austria Vent 2, a Locals adult ventilator invented by a Filipino. We printed the manifold and regulator fittings to address supply challenges due to the pandemic. We use the appropriate materials, proper printing parameters, so that it can hold the pressure requirement of the ventilator and also prevent leaks. The 3D printed face shield is one of the ways that we can effectively help those who protect the Filipino lives. Again, I am Dennis, and together, let's go beyond the conventional and see you on our next videos.